Welcome to another Fast Tech video. In this one, we're going to be giving away this PS5 digital edition and this extra controller. To enter this giveaway, all you got to do is buy our Fast Tech Pro Auto Kit. Links for this are going to be in the description box and the top comment. And the second thing you have to do is be a subscriber to this YouTube channel, and most of you have already been doing that. So thank you for being a subscriber to our channel and showing your support over all these years. The third and final requirement for this giveaway is that you leave a comment in the comment section with your order number. When you order one of these kits, you'll get an order number, and make sure to include that in the comment section of this video if you want to enter. And that's it. That's all you got to do to get yourself this brand new PS5 digital edition. There's no way to get one of these in stores at the moment, so we figured this was a great time to do a giveaway, show our support to our fans, and at the same time promote a great product which you're going to use in the future, and it's going to save you a lot of time when doing electronics disassemblies. Links are going to be in the description box and the top comment, and I'll include all the details in text so no one's confused. Make sure to enter before the date that you see on the screen, which is November 15th, 2022. And we'll announce the winner on the date that I mentioned earlier. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to find out who won this PS5. The winner will be sent an email, and make sure you include a phone number when you make your order. That way we have your phone number so we can call you when you win your PS5. That's it for me for today. Best of luck to everyone playing. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.